Good evening, investors. Welcome to Investment Solutions. Thank you for joining us. Today, I'm going to be doing a video about Forex King. And as you can see, most of my videos I've been dealing with Forex King, about my withdrawals, how you can make money with Forex King. But today, I'm a little bit off on the low side because I made my withdrawal request that was on Thursday, and since then, today is Monday, I haven't received my bitcoins with 32 bucks in my blockchain account. So without wasting your time, what I would say currently is that Forex King is on the scam side when it comes to online business. So today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my screenshots that I've done with Forex King, where I've come from and where I am, and what I'm planning to do as well, and some of the things that I've figured it out with Forex King. So without wasting your time, let's just jump into the video. Okay, this is chain. This is Forex King. So here's Forex King. Fortunately, the site is still up, but most of the guys, they're not able to make their withdrawals. All the withdrawals are still pending as we speak. So I'm just going to do a brief video concerning Forex King. So I made some few shorts for the Forex King account. So I'm going to open my screenshots and what I'm planning to do with these screenshots as well. So I have about there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 screenshots. Let's just view them. These are more like confirmations or proofs of what I've done with Forex King. As you can see, I have a pending withdrawal of $32 here. That was my last withdrawal. We go on to the next picture. This is my email confirming the withdrawal of $32, and this is my withdrawal history. So I made this withdrawal that is on the 18th of May, and today is the 23rd. This like about 5 days ago, 4 or 5 days ago, yes. But still, I haven't received my money. And then, while it's on the website, they are promising this. As you can see, after I make a withdrawal request, when will the funds be available on my e-currency account? And then they were promising that the funds are usually available from a few hours, but not more than 8 hours. As for me, yes, my first withdrawal with them is a period of about 2 hours. I had received my money. It was already reflecting in my account. But as for this withdrawal, it's unfortunate. It's online business. Yeah, at times you win, at times you lose. But I'm not going to just sit on it and say, well, it's online business. You lose at times and then I'll just give it up. No, I'm not going to be doing that. So as you can see, my withdrawal request as well here on my account, that is on the earnings history. It's also confirming that I made a withdrawal request of $32 worth of bitcoins. This BC actually means bitcoins. those are the screenshots that I have managed to, to do with Forex King. But as a matter of fact, going back to the Forex King website, as you can see, as I was going through the website, I started to figure out some stuff. As you can see, Forex King, your profitable kingdom, offers higher return investing in the forex and cryptocurrency markets, as well as promising startups on fintech. How does it work, and where does big money come from? Everybody knows that currency exchange rates change all the time. When a currency becomes more expensive in comparison with another, people holding their money in the first currency may be winning, while those who are holding their savings in other currency may be losing, because their currency has become cheaper in relation to the first one. Such changes occur every second. So if you buy a currency which is about to rise in price and sell it after the rise, you get the difference between the buy and sell prices as your profit. That is what is called currency trading or forex trading. As you can see, take note of these words or these sentiments that they're trying to share with us. As Forex King, as you can see, forex trading really, as was from their word derives Forex King. It's about buying. We invest our monies in Forex King, and then they take our monies and then they will invest it in cryptocurrencies. They're saying high return investing in the forex and cryptocurrency, which includes bitcoins. So whenever they would buy bitcoins at a lower price, and then the bitcoins start to rise in prices, it means they are making money as Forex King, whilst they'll be sharing with us those profits. So as you can go down now, I really wonder why the Forex King this time around is a little bit on the quiet side of not, dishing out money. It is because if we can go back to the chart, okay, coming back here, paid out, as you can see, someone has just got paid 19 grand. It's like 19,000 that has been paid out. So in as much as Forex King is concerned, there was a lot of money that was paid out. As you can see now on our cryptocurrency charts here, I'm sure beginning here, that was on the 19th of May. This is when things started to go on the bad side concerning Forex King. They did not make any monies. If we are to confirm Bitcoin prices, it's taking time. Sorry, the times internet is right. We're getting there. Okay, come on. So, as I was looking at Forex King website, I got to figure out that those are some of the disturbances that have been going on, caused by the actually the downfall of the prices with Forex King. So because of that, Forex King hasn't been making any money. So instead of them paying out, they'll be on the losing side. Oh, it's taking time. Alright. Generally, my point is that from here, when the Bitcoin price against the US dollar, I invest in US dollar because I'm using this chart. The Bitcoins against the US dollar, it was going for It was going for about, that was on the 19th, yes, it was going for $453. That is, one Bitcoin was equivalent to 453 bucks. But going on from Thursday down there, you can see the price, the drop in prices. From here it was 453, and then on the 20th it was 440, and then on the 21st it was 442, on the 22nd it was 442, and then on the 22nd again it fell to 439, and then today it's 439. It's still on 439. It's technically, it hasn't been changing. So in terms of Forex King, they haven't been making money because of the fluctuation of those prices. Not fluctuation as such, but the downside of the prices of the Bitcoins. So they haven't been making money. And moreover, considering being around this guy who withdrew 19 grand. So as for me, that is the reason why Forex King is quiet. But what I didn't like about Forex King was that I made some requests. I had to email them, but they could not reply my emails. I had to figure it out on myself that, oh, what could be the problem? And then I had to go around the site and then going on and then studying the charts, and then that's when I discovered that actually they're on the losing side. So as for now, I've been, encouraging some of my friends not to invest with Forex King as of now, because it's on the downside. It's not making money, and it's something that is, bad news around the world, because we had so much confidence with Forex King, but after such a disappointment, no one would want to lose their monies. So what I believe currently, what is going on now, is that some of the monies that were invested in Forex King are also being used to, to pay out these guys. And some of those guys who received their payments today, because that's the only source of funds that they do have currently. So that's it for Forex King. It was an update with Forex King. I'll try to make a daily update, especially, I hope so, when the Bitcoin price starts to go up. Then we'll start to make money. Maybe Forex King, that's when they will decide to, start to pay out some of those pending, withdrawals. But as for now, this is the current situation with Forex King. And I want to thank you very much for following Investment Solutions. Please don't forget to like our page, and don't forget to visit our website. Thank you very much for joining us. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.